Alright, everyone, listen up. Tomorrow is your Algebra 1 final exam, and I want you to be fully prepared. This test will cover everything we've learned this semester: linear equations, quadratic functions, polynomials, solving inequalities, and word problems.
Word problems? Why does math need words? Isn't it supposed to be about numbers?
Word problems help you understand how to apply math in real-world situations, Rosie.
Yeah, because solving for x totally comes up in everyday life.
There will also be a short section on graphing, so make sure you're comfortable plotting points and interpreting graphs. Any questions? Yes, Rosie.
Will there be a section on how to make math disappear? Because that would be super helpful. Oh, shut up. Caillou. No one asked for you to laugh at me.
Focus, Rosie. You'll need this for tomorrow. Today's global history and geography exam will cover ancient civilizations, major historical events, and key geographical concepts. Be sure to review the study guide I provided.
Ancient civilizations? Why do we even need to know about people who didn't have Wi-Fi?
Understanding ancient civilizations helps us see how societies developed and how their decisions shape the world we live in today.
Oh, so it's their fault we have exams. Great.
Rosie really knows how to spice up history class.
Yes, Rosie.
Will there be a question about which civilization invented pizza? Because that's the only history I care about. Caillou, I swear, if you laugh one more time, I will swap final exams with you. If I get all Fs, that means you will have Fs, and I will have all As like you normally get.
No, Rosie. But perhaps you can channel this energy into studying. One of the most stupidest questions I have ever heard. We have not learned anything about pizza. Today's Earth Science and Astronomy exam will include questions on plate tectonics, the water cycle, celestial bodies, and phases of the moon. Make sure you understand the life cycle of stars and how light years are used to measure distance in space.
Light years? How about dark years? You know, for when you don't study?
That's not a thing, Rosie. Please focus.
Rosie should be the one measured in light years. She's miles away from paying attention.
There will also be some diagrams to label, so make sure you know the structure of the Earth and the layers of the atmosphere. Rosie, do you even plan to study?
Study? Is that on the test?
Rosie. Do not be stupid. Studying is part of the test. Your ELA final today will focus on literary analysis, vocabulary, and essay writing. You'll analyze excerpts from novels and poems, identify themes, and write a well-structured essay.
Can my essay be about how exams are ruining my life? Because I've got lots of materials.
No, Rosie. The essay will be based on the text we provide. You'll need to support your arguments with evidence from the passage.
Rosie's going to need a lot of evidence to explain her grades.
Yeah, let's spice things up, Caillou. Rosie clearly deserves that literally. Anyways, there will also be a vocabulary section. Make sure you review the words we've studied this semester and how to use them in context.
Does overwhelmed count as vocabulary? Because I am so overwhelmed right now.
That's enough, Rosie. If you spent less time joking and more time preparing, you wouldn't feel overwhelmed. Rosie, I don't even know where to begin. Algebra, history, earth science, ELA, you failed every exam.
This is unacceptable, Rosie. You've been given every opportunity to succeed, but you didn't take this seriously.
It's not my fault. The exams were too hard, and half of this stuff doesn't even matter in real life.
Rosie, stop making excuses. These grades reflect your effort, or lack of it. School is about more than just passing tests. It's about preparing yourself for the future. If you keep avoiding responsibility, you'll never learn how to overcome challenges.
That's why we've decided you were grounded for 2 months. No phone, no TV, no computer, except for schoolwork.
2 months. You can't do that.
We can, and we will. This isn't just about punishment, it's about making sure you understand the consequences of your actions. We'll also arrange tutoring sessions for you over the summer. We want you to succeed, Rosie, but you need to put in the effort. I hope this teaches her a lesson.
She'll learn. She has to.